Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to watch my TweetAdder tutorial. Before I start, I just wanted to let you know that if you hear me stuttering and stumbling like I'm being questioned by the police, not that I ever have, it's because this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to try and do it all in one take. I first came across TweetAdder a few months ago when they had the old version. They've now updated to version 3, which is significantly better. It's so good, in fact, as you can see here. Sorry guys, I'm going to have to blur out these registration codes. They'll probably end up on some serial keygen website. As you can see, I started off with the 1 user license, then upgraded to 4, again here with 999. And as I said, version 3 is so good, I decided to purchase the unlimited license. Now, you probably all know what Twitter is, but you might not know exactly how to utilize it to drive traffic to your website, to increase sales or promote your products or services. Now, the saying goes there are two certain things in life, and that's death and taxes. I'd like to add another one to that, in that the other alternative is, if you use TweetAdder in the right way, you're guaranteed to significantly increase your followers, significantly increase traffic to your website, and ultimately significantly increase profit to your business or your website. Now, there are two ways to work in life, as you probably know. You can either work hard or you can work smart. Working hard with Twitter is doing everything manually. Now, for example, the keyword that I put in here, I need to buy. So obviously, if you sell stuff from your website, you can see that this guy here wants, this person here wants to buy, a range of high-cut tops and smart casual corduroys. This guy here wants to buy some Timberland boots. This person wants to buy some DVDs. So to work in the hard way, so you'd have to go to their profile, click on their profile, and then follow that person manually. Now that will take, that would take a long, long time, and that's a very hard way of working with Twitter. Using TweetAdder is completely different. This is the main screen. Now, as you can see, I've got a lot of accounts here, and that's because I run a lot of websites that I use TweetAdder to generate traffic to my website and obviously improve my conversion rate and profit. Now, I'm going to have to again blur this out because a lot of my competitors, if they're watching this, are going to work out what keywords I'm using, and they're going to work out exactly how I'm driving traffic to my website and increasing sales. So let's start at the beginning. Now, I'm limited for time, obviously, because this is going to be a YouTube or a video put on any other site. So I'll just run through the main features of TweetAdder. Now, when you start off in Twitter, you're obviously going to want to start tweeting. Now, if you're using it for business purposes, I wouldn't recommend that you start, blurting out, my business sells this or we sell that or come visit our website. It comes across as too spammy. Best thing to do is just, tweet about something personal, tweet about, everyday things that happen to you, and then go on forward to promote whatever your business has to sell. So, much like the Twitter, the Twitter web application, you can type in a tweet, and then much the same as TweetAdder, you can press tweet now, and it will automatically tweet. Fantastic thing about TweetAdder is you can import a tweet list. So if you've got lots of things to tweet about, rather than sitting and doing it every hour, tweeting every hour, you just simply import your Twitter list or your tweet list, and there you go. All of these tweets will be tweeted automatically by simply clicking this button here. Good thing about TweetAdder is that you've got the option to delay your tweets, delay your posts, so you can range it from 10 to 15 minutes, whatever duration that you want it to do over, it will completely do it all automatically. Now, the next bit, which is a fantastic bit, if you're that way inclined, you're probably going to wet your pants at what you're about to see next, the tweet search feature. So as I showed you before, with reference to working hard, you need to manually click on every single profile and then follow that person. With TweetAdder, you simply search for your key term or your keyword, press search now. This is going to take quite a while because it's obviously a highly used tweet. As you can see, it's gone through page 5. I'm going to press stop now, and it will do its thing. So here you can see straight away that it's found 500 people that have used the keyword I need to buy. So I need to buy another pair of AC, GSA, SAP, whatever that is. I need to buy my homecoming tickets. I need to buy new hobby knitting. I need to buy an umbrella. I need to buy some sweatpants. So if you can imagine, if you're using the right keywords that are target specific to what your website supplies, you can generate a lot of traffic, targeted traffic, insofar as what your website does. Another fantastic feature is, so if you want to follow all these people, you save all, press OK, you go to your follow list, and you'll see all of the people that have tweeted I need to buy, and you can simply follow them automatically. Profile data search. If you've just launched a new website, or you want to get publicity to an event or to your website, you want a journalist to pick up on what you're doing, the sensible thing would be to do is obviously target journalists that have the keyword journalist in their bio. Now again, what it's doing is searching. Now it's found 10,000 people that have got the keyword journalist in their bio. So if you want to, you can further drill down to location. So if you're based in the UK, you'd search for the UK. If you're based in the USA, you'd clearly just search for journalists that are target specific to the area that you want to target. Simply again, save all, and then we'll get to the follow feature. So it saved every single one of those profiles that you can follow automatically. Another fantastic feature is search user of a user, or search followers of a user. Now, for example, if you run a mobile phone website, Carphone Warehouse is a massive company here in the UK. They've only got about 900 odd followers, and I'm using them as an example because large competitors, it would take a long time to search. So, for example, if you supply mobile phones and you want to follow every single user that the Carphone Warehouse has, you simply type in their Twitter username and you press search, and it will automatically find every single follower that the Carphone Warehouse has. Now it's going to take a little bit of time because obviously it's extracting, as you can see, from all these pages. Sorry guys. Another fantastic thing that I've got to offer you as well is at the end of this video there's an opportunity to access a discount code. So if you do decide to purchase TweetAdder, which I'm sure you will after you see this the video complete, we're offering TweetAdder are offering a 20% discount, which is exclusive to us. So it's still now doing its search, and it will come up with that in a minute. So essentially it works in exactly the same way as what you would do before. You'd search for every single user, and then you'd just do a save all, and then you'll follow every single user from the Carphone Warehouse. Right, I've gone a bit quiet now because it's taking a bit of time, as you can see. Anyway, just to fill in the time, I'm based in London. It's a lovely day outside. It's supposed to be raining, but it's not, which is a good thing. It was actually pouring down the rain yesterday, and I'm starting to waffle on now, but that's the nature of life, I suppose. Okay, so here you go. So these are now 990 users, or followers, sorry, of Carphone Warehouse. Fantastic thing about this as well, again, is you can actually drill it down to the last time they've tweeted. There's no real point in following every single person on this list, because as you'll see, this person's tweeted a day ago, this person's tweeted on the 13th of September. You'll get people that have tweeted, 10 days ago, 10 months ago. It's quite pointless trying to follow every single person because you're not going to get followed back, 38 minutes. So these are real time. These are real-time numbers as to when these people have last tweeted. So these are the features that you've got for following. To follow these people, all you need to do is go to the follow, type in the maximum amount of followers that you want in a day, or you want to follow in a day, and set the duration. I recommend not setting it to 1 to 2 minutes because it will come across as aggressive following, and you may get your account suspended by Twitter. So this is the follow feature, and again it will completely follow automatically every single person that you've got in your follow list. Also, another fantastic feature is you've got the unfollow feature, which works the same way as the follow feature, but obviously it unfollows, and that will unfollow every single person that doesn't follow you back. So you've got 3 different bits of criteria here. Follow any non-reciprocal follows, and that will automatically unfollow everyone. Right guys, I'm going to have to finish now. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you're watching this on YouTube or any other video site, click the link which will take you directly to my website. You can download the free trial, the free demo. You can work out exactly how how it's going to benefit you. If you do decide to purchase TweetAdder, go to my website again and you'll see the discount code which is exclusive to us, which will give you a 20% discount. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much for listening.